Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we're going to learn about how to customize the right-hand navigation bar of your Slate instance. When I open the Parish Group Slate instance, you can see some of my customization on the side. This is actually based off of a question that I got from a viewer who was looking at my screen really closely while I was screen sharing. So in order to make your own, we're going to navigate to Database and then search for the word Dashboards. The build is a very simple dashboard. So we're going to give it a name that will show us the header and then make sure that the type is set to user. And that leaves you with only one choice for the base. Looking at the one that I use, it's called Katie's Links. If we click into there and then we tab over to Edit Query, it's set to show just for me. And that means when I log in, I'll see the dashboard immediately, as well as available throughout the instance if I click on the star. I'm not using a lot of merge fields here, but I do like that I can choose to show a custom name. I just pull in links that I reference frequently, like my availability and my Zoom room link. And for the fun of it, let's just add in a small compliment. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or give us a call at 828-505-3000.